Hello, Chris Menard, Microsoft MVP. If you have already purchased my Microsoft Teams online training, I appreciate your support. If you're considering getting it as an individual or through your company, just to let you know, today is Sunday, June 16th, 2026. I'm going to completely update and revamp it by July 28th, 2026. The current course has the old Teams looks with the purple look, even though the content is still good. I want it to have the new look. I'm also going to organize it better. This is item number 2. As an example, I've been covering the new stuff since I initially made it, but I've been having it in a section called new. So if something was new in chat, it's in the new section. I'm going to put it back where it belongs in the chat section at the appropriate place. Item number 3 is a big one. I've been asked to include not just the video, which is part of the course, obviously, but more text, more screenshots, and more steps. So the videos will have the steps. This will help with the search. As an example, if you search for how do I make a new section, all the steps should be listed with that search. Item number 4 I've been asked for is to include more quizzes and more exercises. So I will do that. More quizzes and more exercises. And finally, the 5th item, I'm going to start doing live streams, which I do already with Excel and Copilot and other stuff, just for teams and just for my existing students. I'll do this periodically, not just to show new features that are coming, but to do Q&A. I appreciate your time. I thank you for your support. Have a wonderful day.